Hey guys, Luke from Calorie Building. We're just out at our Claremont project at the moment. Just want to give you a bit of a walk around and show you some progress here. So finally, we've got a little bit of clear weather, although it's looking a little bit miserable at the moment. The boys have got all the wall frames up and we had a crane here this morning, got all the trusses up. Let's go for a bit of a walk around and show you some progress, what's been going on here.
Hey.